Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where today we're buying another Lexus. Well, I actually just already bought it. I bought it last night. Now I can't find the key. Here we go. So I bought another Lexus, another one. Minus Stupid Among Us. But yeah, so let me give you a little bit of a rundown. So this Lexus is basically, I've noticed this, like I've known about this car for like two years or something. It's at this very, very nice Italian restaurant, and I noticed a few months ago that it had been sitting in this same spot. I searched up the rego, and the rego had expired. So I left them a note. I went in a few times and talked to them in person, and asked them if they wanted to sell it. And yesterday they sold it to me. Yeah. So as you can see, here's the car here. I'll give you a closer. Actually, I'll give you a close-up now. It's when I say it needs a wash, I really mean it. It's currently driving my friend's ES300 while mine's getting fixed. But so here's the car. So the plates have been taken off. But look at the state of it. It is fully like abandoned. It's basically like, you can see so much dirt and stuff. Like, it needs a proper detail. Yeah, it is just covered in grime and filth. Nice, but yeah, basically the interior is immaculate, not a single tear. But yeah, so this is the ES300 here. Very abandoned, but yeah. What I'm doing now is basically just securing an unregistered vehicle permit just so I can get it back to my house, clean it up a bit, and then I'm going to sort a blue slip because I need one. And yeah, basically it's just going to be trying to get it back on the road. Like the first priority, getting it back on the road. So yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting. Just at Service NSW, the unregistered vehicle permit has been secured. Obviously I can't show it because it reveals details of the car, which I'd prefer not to be public. But yeah, so that's all done. So now we can finally drive the car home, which is very exciting because I've never driven a car on an unregistered vehicle permit before. So this is going to be quite interesting. So we're back at the car. I'm just going to move it next to this one just so I can get some things sorted, apply the permit, etc, etc. But yeah, it's very exciting. Weather's looking all nice as well. It needs a clean so bad. I'm very, very excited to give it a clean. Let's give it a quick start up. As you can see, nice bit of mold growing, very cool. Give it a quick start up. There we go. Probably needs the throttle body cleared out a bit. I didn't notice that. Yeah, let it warm up for a bit. Yeah, basically the car does smell absolutely atrocious. I need to get rid of the E-tag that's in here as well, and the holder. I don't know why they placed it right there. It's extremely annoying. But yeah, no, here's the Lexus right here. It's got the sunroof as well. Obviously, every little detail. Don't know what that is. It's like glued onto the car though. Got some P plates in there, red P's. But look at these seats, they're just pristine. They're just absolutely pristine. Whole car's immaculate. I'll give you a full rundown of the car once it's back at my place. But yeah, obviously the mission now is trying to get it there. So hopefully I don't get pulled over. We probably will though. So it'll definitely be a bit of an adventure getting it back. But who doesn't love a good adventure? Very keen for it. I'll warm up. Obviously got this one here. I'm gonna move some things over, and I'm gonna stick the permit on. But yeah, now we get a full look at the car. As you can see, there it is from the rear. Looks like a proper abando. But nah, this is very exciting. So I just put my P plates on and everything, and put the unregistered vehicle permit on, and this is how it is looking. So yeah, instead of the license plate, we just got the P, which is quite funny. But yeah, I didn't notice the door damage here, but I mean, it still works as a door. It doesn't really bother me. Yeah, I think the interior of this car is much nicer than the exterior. Exterior has seen better days, but it is okay. We're going to leave this one here for now and drive this back home. Car is going well so far, just filled it up, gave it some 98, gave it a bit of air. Yeah, on the way. Going well so far. So we're back. Here's the Lexus. I actually haven't shown you. Yeah, this is it. Like actually at our place. So there's my silver Lexus, of course. But yeah, needs a lot of work done to it. A clean will definitely do it many favors. So yeah, let's get straight to it. The next day, we're still out here with the Lexus. As you can see, I've made quite a fair bit of progress yesterday. I've just moved around some cars around, moved my silver Lexus there. The rest of the cars are out the carport, and we've got a lot more space to work with to detail this car up. So my friend gave me a good piece of advice on how to get rid of all the black stuff as well. So I'm going to give that a shot. But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Yeah, the roof needs the most attention at the moment. As you can see, it's just covered in this crap. So that's gonna get a lot of attention. And yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes. I'll probably start trying to get the rest of the car perfect, and then the roof will be the last part I do. Yeah, and then I'll probably wash my other Lexus as well, to be honest. It is in need of a wash, but this is more in need of wash, so yeah, I'll also keep the car running just to get the fluids going, as it has been sitting for so long. So I'll just keep the car running for a little bit while I'm doing it. But yeah, this looks like oil. It's most likely from my other Lexus, to be fair, but it's a high possibility it's also from this one. But who knows? It's alright. We'll keep this running. So it's been about an hour, and basically the car's looking heaps better than it was. All the little dust particles around the car are gone, basically. There's a couple just like in the paint still, but it's looking far better than it was. It's looking heaps better. Like, it's actually shiny at the moment. The wheels still need to be, I'm leaving the wheels till very last, but basically I've done every part of the car apart from the roof, because the roof is definitely going to be the hardest part. So that's what my mission is to do now. It's absolutely awful. So this is going to take a lot of scrubbing, a lot of work, but this solution I got is actually really good. It's called Nifty, hardworking, and it seemed to be really good so far, getting all the little dots off. So yeah, we're going to try it on the roof, and hopefully it's not going to be too time consuming, but I know it will be. So I'm showing my Lexus. It's very clean. I've cleaned it as well. It's very nice and clean. There you got my girlfriend's car. The ES300, of course, because I have the same spec as mine. But here is the Lexus. I have gone ahead and slapped my Queensland plates on it, the ES300 ones. But the car's looking immaculate. The wheels are about the cleanest I could get them. It's probably the cleanest on there. Interior's looking very good. I'm just airing it out because obviously it's got a very mouldy smell. But it is looking far better. Not perfect, but very much better than it initially was. The roof has come out pretty well. There's still a couple of spots, but they're not really that noticeable, and they'll probably fade away after a few washes anyway. And considering the car will probably be sitting here for a little bit anyway, it's not really too bad. But here we go. This is the product that we've got after a few hours of detailing. It's very nice. Very nice indeed. I quite like it. Yeah, very nice. Got mine there. Very good. So with regret, unfortunately, this Lexus project isn't going to happen. Because I'm buying a new car today, and in order to buy that new car I need to sell this. I need to sell one of the cars, and obviously I'm not selling the GTI, I'm not selling my other Lexus. So this is the one that unfortunately has to go. And the worst part is it's actually going to get scrapped. The car is immaculate as well, like the exterior. It's a little bit beaten up in that, but like the interior drives perfect as well. It is a real shame to have this happening to the car, but the guy who was meant to pick it up yesterday didn't show, so this is what has to happen, unfortunately. It's not ideal because I actually really liked this car. Spent a lot of time detailing it as well, but like I need to get this new car, and obviously this is the car that has to go. So yeah, it is a bit of a shame. But yeah, it is what it is. Nothing I can really do about it now. So yeah. Lexus. Poor car. There's my Lexus. I don't know what he's doing, but there it is. Oh, poor car. Poor Lex.